Hello, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to log into Canvas. Let's get started. Open a web page and go to the SLCC website, www.solacc.edu. Scroll to the middle of the page, find and click the Canvas icon. Use your Lola username and password to access Canvas. If you receive an error, first ensure you have the correct password. Then try changing browsers. Canvas works best with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. If that doesn't work, click the Lola User Reset Password link on the screen. A new tab will open. Choose an option for verifying your information. Either send an email or verify your personal information. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset your Lola password. It can take up to 30 minutes for your password to be updated in Canvas. Once you successfully log in, you will see your Canvas dashboard. This concludes our tutorial on how to log into Canvas. Thanks for watching.